Hey everyone, welcome back to Muscle 2.0 with another interesting video. I am Sunny and today's video is going to be a visual treat. We are delving into the captivating world of a super handsome bodybuilder's photos collection. So sit back, relax and let's enjoy the aesthetics together. Before we dive into the details, take a moment to appreciate these incredible photos. The, they are not just about muscles, they tell a story of dedication, hard work, and of course, artistry. Let's jump right in. So, our journey kicks off by revisiting the early days. These photos capture the essence of where it all started, the grit, determination, and the initial spark that fueled the transformation. It's a glimpse into the foundation of the handsome physique we see today. Fast forward to the present, and it's time to celebrate progress. Through the side by side comparison, we witness the evolution of visual testimony to the countless hours of dedication and hard work. It's incredible to see how far our bodybuilders has come. Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scene of these jaw-dropping photos? Today we are peeling back the curtain to reveal the creative process, from choosing the perfect lighting to nailing the process. There's a whole world of magic behind each shot. Posing is an art, and our bodybuilder is a true artist. In this chapter, we'll explore the thought and creativity that goes into each pose. It's not just about showcasing muscles, it's about crafting a visual masterpiece that tells a story. So, these photos go beyond physical strength, they radiate confidence and charisma. In this chapter, we'll dissect specific images that capture the essence of our bodybuilder's unique personality, proving that true beauty is a blend of strength and charisma. Fitness meets fashion is in this segment. Our bodybuilders not only excels on in the gym but also knows how to make a style statement. Will explore the fashion choices that complement the physique, adding on an extra layer of flair to the visuals. Variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for these photos. From intense gym shots to serene outdoor poses, our bodybuilders showcase versatility. It's a reminder that aesthetics, now to boundaries, and beauty can be found in diverse settings. So, friends, these photos not only showcase a fit physique but also embody a fitness lifestyle. In this chapter, we'll explore how each image reflects dedication to health, wellness, and the joy that comes from living a fit and active life. Fitness journeys are riddled with the challenges, and our bodybuilder's story is no exception. Well delved into photos that encapsulate moments of overcoming hurdles, showcasing resilience and determination. In this segment, I want to share stories from our community. We receive message about how these photos they have inspired others on their fitness journeys. It's heartwarming to see the positive impact these visuals can have. Visuals motivation is a powerful tool on any fitness journey. We'll explore how these photos serve as daily motivation for our bodybuilder and can inspire viewers to stay committed to their own goals. So, friends, let's take a moment to learn from the expert himself. Our bodybuilder will share some fitness tips and insights, offering valuable advice for those looking to embark on their own fitness journey. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspects of the bodybuilder's journeys resonate with you and how has it inspired your fitness goals? Let's make this a community discussion. As we conclude this visual journey, I want to express my gratitude for joining me on this exploration of a handsome bodybuilder's photos collection. If we enjoyed the content so far, don't forget to engage in the comments, hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting videos. What kind of content do you want to see in my next video? Please must tell me. I will try to fulfill your request. Friends, if you are interested in more amazing videos like this, visit our channel, especially visit the channel's playlist. Here you will find best motivational and inspirational videos like this. So what does is it mean to be shredded? It's not just about visible muscles, it's about achieving an exceptionally low body fat percentage, revealing intricate muscle definition. Our journey starts by acknowledging the intense commitment these bodybuilders bring to the table. Legends like Ronnie, Dorian Yates, and Arnold have set the bar high, showcasing not only strength but an unparalleled level of leanness. Their stories continue to inspire generations of aspiring bodybuilders achieve that chiseled look. Bodybuilders undergo a process known as cutting. This involves a meticulous balance of nutrition, cardio, and weight training to shed excess body fat while preserving muscle mass. Witnessing the dedication to the cutting phase in is a testament to the mental fortitude required in the pursuit of a shredded physique. It's not a sprint but a strategic marathon, and these athletes understand the importance of pacing themselves. Friends, nutrition is the cornerstone of achieving a shredded physique. These bodybuilders follow strict dietary regimens, often incorporating high protein, moderate carbs, and healthy fats. Meal timing and portion control become crucial element in their nutrition plans. Delving the path of shredded involves rigorous training, pushing the boundaries of strength, endurance, and mental resilience. These bodybuilders adhere to intense workout schedule, incorporating both heavy lifting and targeted isolation exercises. Witnessing their training regimens is a glimpse into the relentless pursuit of perfection. So I hope